and welcome to Hoffman Academy. I'm Stephanie. Today we're going to learn a song called Fight Song. No, not that one, but close. This arrangement is from our book, Mr. Hoffman's Popular Hits for Piano. If you don't have the book yet, there's a link below this video. I'll go over the first few measures with you to get you started, and I'll show you how to play along with the practice track that's included with the book. I'm going to play the arrangement from the beginning so you can hear how it sounds, and then we'll break it down. Come on. This is my fight song, take back my life song, prove I'm alright song. My power stand on, starting right now, I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song, and I don't really care if nobody else believes, 'cause I still got a lot of fight left in me. Let's look at the very first note in this song in the right hand. The right hand is the treble clef, or the top staff. You're going to see the number 3 above the first note. That means your 3 finger, and you count 1, 2, 3 on your right hand. So your middle finger is your 3 finger. It's above a note on the 3rd line up on the treble clef. This is the middle line. That's B. If you find B on the piano, you'll look for the pattern of 3 and go to the right of that. That's B. Now remember, you don't put your pointer finger there, you put your 3 finger there. And you let every finger have a white key. Now we're basically in G position. All right, now we're going to play the notes. It starts with a pickup, meaning there are a few notes before the song actually begins. This is my fight. Fight is like the first big beat in the song, right? If you were going to sing it, you were going to go, this is my fight song. You would clap on fight. So there are 3 extra notes before that. And it goes 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. This is my. You're going to repeat your 1 finger or your thumb 2 more times. This is my fight song. Now you try. Great. Going on to the next part. It's pretty similar, but see if you can spot the difference. Take back my life song. You may have noticed we step up to our 2 finger at the end. 3, 2, 1, 2, repeat. Now you try. Great. Let's go back to the beginning and play the 2 short phrases back to back. Starting on your 3 finger. This is my fight song, take back my life song. Great. Now after a short 8th rest, you see another short phrase. It's the final short phrase I'm going to teach you today. It goes, prove I'm alright song. Alright, so this is a very similar pattern from before, except it starts on a different finger. This is going to start on your 4 finger on C. We go 4, 3, 2, 3, 3. So it's the same pattern where you step down and then step up at the end. This is what you might call a sequence, when the same pattern happens 2 times in a row, but the second time it starts on a different pitch. Prove I'm alright song. Then you're going to step up at the very end to your 4 finger again. I'm going to play that one more time. Prove I'm alright song. Now you try. Great. Let's go back to the beginning and play the right hand. I'm going to tell you one more thing though before we play this right hand. You're coming in on the and after 3, meaning I'm going to count you in saying 1, 2, 3, then you'll come in right after 3. I'll show you. 1, 2, 3. This is my fight song. All right, that might have taken you off guard, and that's okay, but let's try it again together. 1, 2, 3. This is my fight song. Rest. Take back my life song. Rest. Prove I'm alright song. Now pause the video and practice that as many times as you need. It might be the same number of times as your age, but remember to play it without missing any notes. No missed notes. So if you're 7, play it 7 times in a row without missing notes. And then we'll go on to the left hand together. If you look above the staff, you're going to see letters. There's G, D, E little m, that means E minor, and C. These are the chords that your left hand is playing. They're very conveniently telling you exactly what's going on in the left hand. Now let's just, with our pointer finger, mark where these notes are. We start with G. We go down to D. We go up to E and down to C. Okay, try that again. G, D, E, C. Now do it with your pinky. It's almost like you're going to karate chop the note. G, D, E, C. Okay, now we're going to play it with your pinky. G, D, E, C. All right, now we're going to add your thumb. Your thumb is going to play a fifth above your pinky, meaning 5 notes. So your 5 finger in your left hand is your pinky, and your thumb is your 1 finger. So you're going to play 1 and 5 together for each chord. G, go down to D, and you have D and A together. D, step up to E, and go down to C. Okay, let's do that again. G, D, E, C. Very good. That's the chord progression. But if you look at the music, there's some rhythms happening in the left hand. Look at the first note. It's a quarter note plus a dot. That is called a dotted quarter note. It's pretty easy to remember. Then the next is an 8th note with a little rainbow to a half note, connecting the two together. That rainbow is actually called a tie, and it just extends that first chord a little longer. So instead of playing the chord on that half note a second time, you're just going to hold it through the half note. I'll show you. It goes 1, 2, and 3, 4. So you see how I just held the second chord. You also may have noticed I didn't play on a beat. I played on an and. I played in between beats. It goes 1, 2, and 3, 4. Emphasis on and. Clap that with me together. 1, 2, and 3, 4. All right, now let's play that rhythm. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Very good. Now we're going to play the chord progression. If you look at the next measure, the notes are different, but the rhythm is the same. And the next measure, the notes are different, but the rhythm is the same. And on to the next measure. Okay, so we're going to play G, D, E, C, but with the rhythm now. Together, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 Very good. Now we're going to try to sing the lyrics while we play the left hand. You might need to listen the first time and then rewind and play it with me. Have a listen. This is my fight song, take back my life song, prove I'm alright song. Alright, that might have been a little tricky, so let's do it once more together. This is my fight song, take back my life song, prove I'm alright song. Now you'll notice the chords sometimes line up with a word, sometimes they come just after a word. Take fight song right at the beginning. The chord comes in on fight, and then you repeat the chord right after song. This is my fight song chord. Does that make sense? The same with the next measure. Take back my life, song, chord. Now on to the next measure. Prove I'm alright, song, chord. And then right after we change notes up to a C with our right hand, we play a C major chord. Okay, so feel free to pause that and practice that while singing as many times as you need. Might be however old you are. And now we're going to put right hand and left hand together. Remember, right hand will come in before left hand. 3 notes before, actually. This is my fight. Like that. Now I know you thought I was starting, but now I'm actually starting. 1, 2, 3. This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. Great. Check out our book to learn the rest of the song. There are some parts at the end of this song particularly where the rhythms get pretty fast and they get syncopated, meaning you're playing off the beat, just like we learned with the chords. Just be aware that it's going to sound exactly like the original melody, so as long as you're singing along as you play, you'll be able to figure it out. If you purchase the book, you'll also receive a practice track. I'm going to show you how to play along to it. You're going to hear 3 clicks right away, and you're going to come in right after the 3rd click. It's a little sooner than you might think. Let's try it in G position. 2, 3. Thanks for learning along with me today. This is just one of 17 songs found in Mr. Hoffman's Popular Hits for Piano. This book is designed to help you learn how to play some of our most requested songs. Each song includes practice tips and challenges to help you grow your skills, and the book also comes with instrumental practice tracks that you can play along with. Check out the link below to get a copy. Thanks for watching and learning with Hoffman Academy. Happy music making!